Running an HVAC company, that's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, is like riding a yearly wave. Spring and fall bring tune-ups. Summer and winter bring urgent repair calls. That cycle is normal. But smart seasonal marketing means you don't have to let chance control your schedule. Step 1. Build a strong year-round base. That means a verified Google business profile, consistent local keywords, and real customer reviews. Make sure your website loads fast, looks great on mobile, and makes it easy to book a service call. In spring, focus on AC tune-ups and maintenance plans. In summer, capture urgent repair and replacement calls with call-only ads and same-day service offers. Fall is all about furnace safety checks and growing maintenance memberships. And in winter, be ready for emergencies, waived diagnostics, and fast response build trust and turn one-time callers into long-term customers. Promotions matter too. Seasonal coupons, weather-driven offers, and loyalty perks like free filters or priority booking keep customers coming back. And with call tracking and analytics, you'll know exactly what's working. Seasonal HVAC marketing isn't about random discounts. It's about timing, care, and strategy. Done right, your slow seasons feel shorter and your busy seasons more profitable. Ready to keep your service call steady all year? Book a free 20-minute strategy call with MarketinGear today and get a clear action plan you can use right away.